Good evening. I'm Dr. Travis Baker, owner of Balanced Body Acupuncture and Chiropractic, and I want to thank you tonight for joining me. I'm going to talk about acupuncture tonight and what many of my patients refer to as the magic little needles. I'm going to be talking about the needles themselves, how it works, and some of the most common conditions I treat on a daily basis within my own clinic. To start off with, we'll start with the needles themselves. Here's a size comparison chart of the acupuncture needles within a hypodermic needle. You can fit roughly 15 in the tip of the average hypodermic needle. The needles themselves come individually packaged and sterilized, single-use disposable. They are never reused. To demonstrate a simple point on the body, I'll do a point on myself. We'll go up near the thumb. The needles themselves never get touched. They're within a guide tube. The needle's protected. The handle itself is the only thing that ever gets touched. It gets placed on the surface of the skin. You don't feel anything there. It's a quick tap, and the needle's placed in. And that's all there is to it. Treatment time is average 15 minutes. At the end of that treatment time, the needle is simply removed. Now, as this is going on, there are many things going on in the body. From an Eastern perspective, 3,000 years ago, it was all about energy in the body. It's what is known as qi. From a medical perspective, there's different responses that go on once the needle is placed in the body, and I'm going to talk about those. One of the big things that happens is that blood flow is enhanced. Excuse me. Blood flow is enhanced, and as far as pain and tissue healing go, blood flow is everything. It carries all the essential nutrients and chemicals required for the tissue to heal. Now, when the point is placed in, there's a microtrauma that occurs. Your body recognizes this microtrauma and initiates the healing process. So again, it goes back to blood flow and the chemicals that get released to actually heal in that region of the body. Also, your body's perception of the pain is actually reduced. In addition, muscles actually relax. So people that carry a lot of tension or have tight, overactive muscles, this is a great way to actually decrease the muscle tone and release a lot of the tension. It's also an excellent stress reducer. It's very effective as far as reducing and kind of calming the mind and the body down. We all carry so much stress in our bodies, and this is an excellent way to actually reduce that stress, and in doing so, helps the body heal. Now, as far as some of the most common conditions I treat day to day, back and neck pain are two of the most common. This includes everything from muscle spasms to chronic pain to people with sciatica and disc herniations. Also headaches, migraines. You have your tension headaches, which again usually go with neck pain, cluster headaches, and sinus headaches. Also arthritis, osteo and rheumatoid. Even gynecological issues, from infertility and hormonal imbalances to postmenopausal symptoms. Hot flashes actually respond very well to acupuncture. And then also stress and anxiety. It's actually been shown to be as effective as many drugs on the market in treating stress and anxiety. I want to thank you tonight for joining me. Everybody that's watched this video tonight will have a $10 credit toward their account toward an acupuncture visit if you come in to see me. If you have any friends, relatives that have any of these conditions that you think might benefit or may have questions, please feel free to contact my office, and I offer free consultations if anybody ever wants to come in. I'm available for free consultations to talk about their condition and see if any of the treatments available would benefit them. Again, I want to thank you tonight for joining me, and I hope you took something away from the video that you can share with others. Thank you.